Are you struggling with the slow download speed on Play Store? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix if you're experiencing the slow download speed on the Play Store. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But so now to fix the slow download speed on Play Store, the very first thing that you can do is just simply go ahead and take your internet connection. Open up any browser from your device and simply go ahead and search for internet speed test. And once you have searched for it, he'll get to see lots of websites. So just go ahead and select one of these from here and take your internet speed. If you found that your internet is not good enough, then get back from here, swipe down from the very top, and then enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off, or even you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. And right after that, make sure you have a stable internet connection and try downloading the apps again. If you found that you still have the problem, then follow the next process. Open up the Play Store from your device, and from the Play Store homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right, and then tap on Settings. And then simply go and expand the About section, and then scroll down, tap on Update Play Store. Just need to tap on this one, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and tap on Update button in order to update your Play Store to the latest version. This will actually fix bugs and glitches on the Play Store, and most likely this will boost up your download speed. And once you have done that, you just need to follow one more important settings. Go ahead and press and hold the Play Store from your device, and then tap on App Info. And from the app info, just need to scroll down and tap on the connection method. Make sure to select both of these from here. Tap on a battery saver, and you just need to select the no restriction from here. Now get back from here and simply go and tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Now once you're done, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and reboot your Android phone once. And once you get back, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your Play Store will start downloading apps pretty fast. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.